Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers. We are in St Helens Churchyard, THORNEY. (189,857) Pilot Officer Robert William HOLDITCH, died 17th of January 1945, aged 22. (158,6576) Sergeant James William Humphreys, Air Bomber, Royal Air Force, died 14th of January 1945, aged 23.
Robert William HOLDITCH, James William Humphrey, were on board a short Sterling which had took off from Wigsley on a bullseye training exercise during the closing stages of the exercise. Severe weather conditions closed in. The plane came through the clouds in preparation for landing and flew into the ground near Barnby in the Willows near Newark, Nottinghamshire.
924868 Patrick Brooke, Wireless Operator, Royal Air Force, died 2nd of March 1943, aged 27.
Patrick Brooke was on board a Avro Manchester that took off from Wigsley to demonstrate feathering procedures. During this procedure, the port propeller failed to disengage from the feathered position and the instructor ended the exercise and returned to Wigsley, whilst in the circuit to land. The undercarriage refused to lower. The aircraft hit a tree whilst forced landing short of the airfield, crashed and caught fire on the ground. Patrick was the only fatality out of the 7 crew.
120547 Flying Officer Walter Stephen Jobling, Navigator, Royal Air Force, died 1st of September 1943, aged 34. (415917) Flight Sergeant Robert William Rashbrook, Royal Australian Air Force, died 1st of September 1943, aged 20.
Walter Jobling, Robert Rashbrook were on board a Lancaster bomber that had taken off from Wigsley on an exercise when it collided with another Lancaster that was returning from a bombing run over Berlin.
133854 Flight Sergeant Joseph John Gordon Nicholson, Pilot, Royal Air Force, died 12th of April 1944, aged 28.
Joseph Nicholson was part of a crew flying a short Sterling 3 aircraft training night bombing practice which had taken off from Wigsley. It was shot down over the Basingham Range south of Lincoln by an ME 410 intruder and crashed at Hilltop Farm, Keythorpe.
1622403 Sergeant Aaron Hughes, Air Bomber, Royal Air Force, died 31st of August 1944, aged 20. (1594880) Sergeant James Lambell, Flight Engineer, Royal Air Force, died 31st of August 1944, aged 36. 1 1607283, Sergeant Raymond George Alexander, Navigator, Royal Air Force, died 31st of August 1944, aged 27. 1607195, Flight Sergeant William Edwin John Cox, Flight Engineer, Royal Air Force, died 31st of August 1944, aged 21.
Aerion Hughes, James Lambell, Raymond George Alexander, William Edwin John Cox, all took off from Wigsley in a short Sterling 3 on a cross-country exercise, crashed near Nottingham after an engine fire, killing all 7 crew on board.